Excuse you.
Still be cool. Spent that. Come on. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000.
Láàárọ̀ kùtùkùtù Monday.
Give me better one. This one no sweet. Give me sweet one.
So how much like this now? 1.5.
That's 4,000. Two. You want to give me 3, 1.5. 2, 1,000.
I want 3 or 4 better because I'm doing this.
How many you put inside? That's 1.5. This one maybe 2.5. This one a small one. How much? Lie, maybe 3,000. If you want to make a buy 3,000.
How much? Whoa, how much would that for? Oh my god, guys, the craziest thing just happened to me now. I just dropped Zion at school and I'm at the traffic lights, right? Minding my own business, listening to my music and dancing, when all of a sudden I look to my left and somebody is saying hello from the other car, and I'm like, hi. And he's like, this your car, I've been looking at this your car and I really want to buy it. Do you know proceeds to, say a lot of words that I don't know about cars. All I know is the AC working? Is it fine? And can I drive it? That is all I need to know. It's just mentioning so many things and I'm like, fake smile on my face. And the next thing, this uncle proceeds to ask me, you will not believe this. Madam, do you want to sell your car? Excuse you? Guys, láàárọ̀ kùtùkùtù Monday. Like early bright Monday morning. It's not even 7:30 yet. And I answer him no. And he's just laughing hysterically like why are you laughing? What's funny? Thankfully, the traffic light turns green. I speed off because if you don't get oh my god. Anyways, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Nkechi Modi. If you're new here, I love you. Thank you for clicking in. I make food and lifestyle vlogs and I'm sure you're gonna like it. And if you're an oldie, you know our song now. My time. My okay. I'll see you guys later. I want to make zobo now, but then I've just realized that this is how much I have left of the zobo. So I want to go to the market. Maybe when I'm going to pick Zion, I'll buy some more so that it will be a little. Then I've cut up my watermelon, pineapple, orange, ginger. I don't like to put cucumber inside the zobo because it makes it tangy and Zion doesn't like it. And let's remember that this zobo is kid friendly. But before that, I want to make the honey. Remember I told you guys I wanted to show you how to make this honey thing. It's so good for your toddlers that are going to school. You will have less breakdowns, cough, catarrh and all that. So let's make it. Then I also found out that I just have a little honey left. Let me show you how much honey I have left. It's not enough for both of them. This honey thing, what I do is I repurpose my jam jars. Once I buy jam and once I'm done, I remove the label and then I make sure that it's clean and dry. This is the honey I have left. It's not enough. I don't put sugar inside my zobo, so it's not enough for the honey mixture. It's also not enough to do the zobo. Do you understand? So I'm going to get more zobo leaves, that's hibiscus leaves, and more zobo. So let's just do the honey mixture first. For the honey mixture, let's just quickly go through it. Ginger, garlic, lemon and orange peel with cloves. I feel like I'm missing something. I don't know, but I'll show you. But let's just make it. I'm running. I need to rest.
I know you want it, but I see you trying. Just keep on pushing, won't let you fight it.
Guys, it's 11:42 and I should be sleeping, but I can't sleep. I also did not buy the zobo, so I'm going to be using the juice like that. I'll show you what it looks like. I'm actually going to package it now and probably cook what they're taking to school tomorrow and work. Was boring. But yeah, this is the end of the vlog. I'll see you in the next one. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. My nose is blocked. What the, like my nose hurts, then this side of my head is paining. But yeah, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment. Thank you always for watching, for supporting Eshigo. See you in the next one.
What you gonna do on it? Anyway, I felt them, put them on lock, seat belt them, took them out to Belgium. Welcome, bitches this pretty, that's seldom. This